Jamii ya Wahindi wanaoishi humu nchini wamesherehekea siku ya Diwali katika miji mbalimbali kote nchini. Sherehe za Diwali huashiria siku ya kwanza ya mwaka katika jamii ya Wahindi ambayo husherehekewa kwa kuwaleta pamoja mamia wa jamii hiyo. Kupitia viongozi wa miungano ya jamii hiyo walishiriki kupata vyakula, kufanya maombi pia na mambo mengine, huku akitoa wito kwa Wakenya kuishi kwa amani na umoja na kusameheana.
We have our own calendar that is called Hindu calendar year. It also has 12 months, and this is the first day of the new year, where we offer freshly prepared dishes to the God, to the deities, as our offering. Because during this season in India, we harvest the fresh crop, and we believe whatever we get, it is the grace of God, and we need to first offer to the God, then we accept as a gift from the God.
During Diwali, the message we pass across is the victory of good over evil, and we like to light lamps all around. The significance of Diwali is when Lord Ram had returned back to his house after an exile, and during then the whole city had been lit up to celebrate his welcome. We light lamps, we light diyas to now bring the light into our lives. And not only do we want to have brightness all around us, we want to have brightness within us as well.
Would like to say some interesting thing. Let's forget everything which has been happening in the past year. Fine. Today it's a new life what we are starting from the new year. So whatever has happened, bad thing in our life, we should forget everything. And this is a message for the youth community that let's start your day with a new beginning. What I can say that when you open your eyes, it's a new morning for you. So it's a really new morning for us. So we can have a very new beginning.